Hey everyone, Trout Flies here. It's a snowy, cold day in December, but I'm here on the lower Provo. I know from our Discord it's been a little tough. It's been midges, and I think our community members have been getting into a fish here and there, so came out here to see if I could figure something out and maybe we can piece something together, so stay tuned. So I'm going to start off by Euro nymphing. I've got it red a little bit, like 20 yards below me, so I'm going to try and avoid it. I've got a Duracell and my hairy zebra midge tied on. See if we can pick up one of these selective fish. There we go. I don't like him downstream of me with this tiny little hook. Awesome. New tie. Process worked out. Okay, let's get this guy unhooked. Oh, there we go. It was on my little Matt's Midge style midge emerger. Just use a little bit of CDC instead of poly yarn or Antron for the wing. Gonna have to dry this guy out. Here's the fish. Nice little brownie. There he goes. There we go. Again, as my net gets stuck on something. Oh, this guy was on my little prototype mini Baetis. Ooh, that water's cold. Yep. Nice little brown trout. Don was on my little micro Baetis. It's just like a little size 20 with the 1.5 mil bead and some centipede legs on it. See if we can get another one. Hands are cold. So I'm sliding down into this run. There's another one. Oh, they might be stacked up in here. Remember to play these guys pretty unforcefully got small hooks on. This guy was on the Midge, my TF Midge. Oh, got him in the fin. Not the best spot. It's not going to come unpinned, but let's see if we can get this out. There we go. Little guy. Back in the water. Might have found a little something here. Put gloves back on to preserve my hands, but maybe there's a few stacked up in this run. I've only fished right in front of me too. I haven't really fished what I'd call the prime spot. There's another one. They are stacked up, and that's a nice fish. They are stacked up in here. Let's take it slow, small hooks. There we go. That's a little bit better brown. Gotta take the gloves off again. Maybe he'll pop out without. Oh, that little micro Baetis looks like they like that. Okay, let's get the hands wet. Let's see. Oh, good. Popped out. Cold, cold, cold. Okay. It's a little bit better brown. Here he goes. All right. We might have to do a tying tutorial on this guy. Trying to keep the hands as warm as I can. Can't tell if I'm hitting bottom over there or not. I must be. Let's move this up 3 inches. Okay. I don't like hitting bottom that often. It's another one. It's a nicer one too. Can't tell if that's a whitey. No, it's a trout. Cool. Skinny on the midge. Tough part. Sometimes it's tough to get that out, even with barbless hooks. Okay, let's get out the forceps. Alright guy, I know you're cold, I'm cold, we're all cold. Let's get this hook out of here. Skinny, long but skinny. Thanks guy. There we go. Oh, that's a nice one. Tried small flies, scary. I can get this guy on the reel. Slow and steady, Bob. Kind of let this grass patch float by before I swing them over here. It's a nice fish. Not quite. See if I could get his head up. There we go. That's a nice one. On my little Baetis again. Let's get the release on this guy. Nice one. There he goes. There's one. Net keeps getting caught up on stuff. On the midge. Cool. Came out. Don't need to touch him. There he is, guys. Send him on his way. Okay, let's make a better cast. That's better. Ooh, that was a fish. Oh, that was late. That was super late. I saw a slight hesitation and wasn't sure, and then it went under again. There we go. It's a better fish. They're skinny. Okay, let's go. Finally, gloves off. Took the midge. They're skinny. one to that far bank. There we go. It's a whitey. Get these hands cold. Maybe he'll cooperate and won't roll too bad on me. Or maybe he will. Okay, let's get him out. You can kind of get him upside down. Sometimes they'll cooperate with you, and sometimes they won't. Got me all wrapped up here. That water's cold. Took the little Baetis. Come on, pop out of there. Not a bad whitefish. It's good to go. Alright, so we've got a nice line of fish in this bubble line. Just smashing some bugs. So I've tied my little experimental TF Midge emerger thing on, see if we can pick one up. I think it's midges. I don't see any like upright wings in the water or anything, so gonna watch them for a little bit and then throw a cast in there. Okay, I think that's the back one that just came up right there. Let's see if we can get him. Alright, I turned my little corn-fed midge on. See if we can bring one up. Here we go. Oh, that's a nice fish. Dang. There we go. Little guy. I don't need to net him. Came up from my corn-fed midge. That guy. Alright, well, pretty much started snowstorming on me, so I'm calling it. Filming the outro from my car because it's cold outside and windy. So, you know, ended up being a pretty good day. I only fished for about 3 hours, but we got into quite a few. It was fun. I caught most of them on a size 20 TF Midge. I have a tying tutorial on that. And Baby Baetis pattern that I'll probably share at some point. And Midge emerger. Anyways, it was fun. If you enjoyed this video, please like it down below and consider subscribing to my channel. It's freezing. Thanks, and stay safe.